Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and this channel is all about living overseas, living abroad, and at the moment, as I live here, living in Canada. So if you enjoy that kind of content, please don't forget to check out my channel and subscribe if you want to. So in today's vlog, we don't really have any plans. It is a Saturday in Victoria, so we just thought that we'd take you along for our chill, relaxing Saturday and see what we get up to. We're gonna go to the market. We have a local market near us, so we're just gonna check that out and then we'll see where we go from there. Where do you wanna go first?
Either the distillery or the seasider.
Distillery. There.
It's starting to get a little heavy, but I'm excited.
Okay, we're done at the market. We actually got way more than we thought we were going to. We've been to that market a few times.
Also, for last market time.
I forgot to bring cash. I don't tend to have cash anyway, especially in this day and age, because you're never sure like if people are comfortable with taking it, or I just don't tend to carry cash at all. So need to remember to do that because all of the produce stands are cash only. So we're just gonna head back, drop off our goods, and I will show you what we got in detail. So we got a ridiculous amount from the market, but definitely didn't think we were gonna get this much. To start off, we got this gin from the Sheringham Distillery, and this is a distillery in Soot, which is based on the island. Vancouver Island has a real gin movement, so there's quite a lot of distilleries, and we've been meaning to try this. I don't tend to drink that much, so when I do, I always try and drink like good quality things. So very excited to try this. It has juniper, rose, coriander, local hand harvested sustainable winged kelp, lavender and citrus. So very, very coastal. I guess that's why it's called the seaside gin. Next up, we went to Madhouse, which looks very, very funky. That kind of drew us into it. And they do whole plant-based, gluten-free things, and everything looked amazing. They had like cakes there and donuts and other like edible flowers, and then these frozen ready-to-cook meals. So we just went to try the red lentil and miso mushroom lasagna, which is vegan and gluten-free. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer before it starts to defrost. Then we went to a local pasta place called, I'm going to completely not say this right, Triestina. They had a load of different pastas there, and we picked up the beetroot pasta, linguine. I think it's a linguine. I'm not very good with pasta names. We picked up the, oh, it has that on the back. So this is the beetroot. That's not helpful because I can't read it. Beetroot mafaldine. I'm not sure if I said that right, but Very interesting, very unique. They also had a pumpkin one that I'd really like to try too. Then we picked up the porcini and portobello pappardelle. Very interesting. I've never seen a mushroom pasta, so that's gonna be interesting. And then we also picked up this rosemary, what do you call these crackers? Anyway, one of these like flat baguette crackers, which they made, so very excited about that. And then finally we went to Old Soul Jam Co. The reason that I went here was to get pickled beets. I am obsessed with anything pickled, so yeah, I was very excited about these. It was their last jar, it was meant to be. And then obviously I couldn't go without trying some of their other things. So we also picked up a small pear butter, which I've never had before. And then also a blackberry honey lavender jam, just in a small one to try them. That was our little market haul. I think we're gonna go out for a walk now. It's a little bit cloudy and cool today, so it's perfect walking around the city day.
Just noticed his name was Stuart.
Oh, Stuart the bear. If I can speak. Can't say
You actually struggling with that?
The legislative. I need to read this. Legislative. Maybe that was my English accent not being able to say it properly. The Legislative Assembly.
There's no L after the G.
Apparently I just can't read. Legislative Assembly.
Legislative.
Yeah, well that's who we are. Isn't it nice? So pretty. We're like the only ones here, pretty much. Is the provincial Christmas tree of British Columbia, if you want to know. It's kind of a strange shape. I don't know why they like let it grow or cut it in that way, but very unique. And yeah, and then there's also a statue right there of Queen Victoria, which is who the city is named after. Super excited for this one. Mike and I are members at the museum, and the orcas exhibit has just started again. They had it on last year, but obviously with COVID it closed down for a while and nobody could see it, so they've redone it. I think it's the same one, so we're gonna go there soon. But I'm very excited because orcas are my favorite animal in the whole world. All of the museum tickets are sold out today. You have to really book them early now. I think it's just because of the reduced amount of people that are allowed in there because of COVID. So we won't be seeing the orcas today, but we will see them hopefully soon. So we're just gonna walk around. There's some like really pretty gardens as well in the museum, so we're just gonna take a walk around because why not? What else are you gonna do on this pandemic era Saturday? Just want to take an appreciation for a second for these doors. How pretty are they? They are just so nice. Where are we headed to, Michael?
Just up the way here, there's the I think a little garden up here, right?
This was his house. I say I guess, I know because I've just read. This was his house. And this is in an old school. how tiny it is. St. Anne's Schoolhouse. Totem poles. They're so big. And there's some over there too. Very impressive. I love the totem poles. They're so incredible. Okay, we're gonna take a walk around the city, I think. We have no plans on where to go, but Michael is enjoying himself. What on earth are you doing? Oh my goodness. Harbour. I'm at the very famous Empress Hotel. I feel like if you Google any picture from Victoria, it shows you the Empress. Either the Empress or the Ledge. I'm not even going to try and say that word again. Legislative.
Legislative.
Legislative. I'm never going to get it. Pretty. It is a very, very nice building. It's huge, and they always have lovely flowers too. Very, very pretty. Even though it's the greatest little show on earth. And yeah, so what if I've been to it before? I love Miniature World. Do you not want to go?
I mean, we could.
It's so cool. Look at all the miniature. I for those of you that don't know, I'm completely obsessed with miniature things, and Miniature World is freaking the coolest thing ever. Okay, they've got some things in the window. I'll show you. Look at this! They're so tiny! They're kind of creepy. Like, what is this in the back here? No, this is not for me. These are not for me. No, thank you. But the interior, so cute. Oh my gosh, a tiny bed. I love it so much. A dungeon or like inside of a volcano with dragons and people fighting on skeleton horses. So cool. Crazy. You want to go, don't you? You want to go?
I'm not saying we can't go.
Mike's not letting me go to Miniature World.
Oh my god. Come on now.
Whatever. It's fine. It's like, it's not like it's one of my favorite places to go on a cloudy, cold day. It's fine. Next time. Next time. the market. The market?
Market.
There's this really cool market that they have here called the Market, Public Market, the Hudson, something like that.
The
But
Hudson
it really
building.
reminds me of Chelsea Market in New York City, or the place in Leeds. Oh my goodness, people, I can't remember. Trinity Kitchen in Leeds. It reminds me of that too. We are Chinatown. This is actually the oldest Chinatown either in Canada or in North America, and it's beautiful. So narrow. I think this is the narrowest street.
World's smallest street.
Or one of the narrowest streets. Hello friends, we are back. As you can tell, it got a little bit drizzly and rainy, so we decided to come home, and we've been out for a couple of hours. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed our little wander around Victoria. That is only an extremely small part of the city. If you enjoyed it, let me know. I can do more about around Victoria and the places that we like to go and places that are really fun to visit. There's literally so much in this city. It's kind of hard to believe that it's small. Please don't forget to hit like on this video. It really helps to push it to people that might be interested in it, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. I post videos every single week, and I do things from talking videos to vlogs and all kinds of things like that. So yeah, if you want to join along for the journey, that would be awesome. Until my next one, I hope you have the most wonderful day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.